Whipping up the babies, got the pot.
May.
Yeah, the bike feels good. The jacket feels good. I like it. You have no idea how much I miss wearing this jacket. And especially now that winter's here or winter's coming, it's gonna get colder. This jacket's gonna be so nice. The fuck? Did he just drop that thing out of his window? You know, I got asked the question the other day on one of my videos, how am I still accelerating when my handle's not moving? But look, if you look, I make very small adjustments and the bike picks up speed very quickly. Like, hold on. Like when I drive, I'm never fully open throttle on this bike, never. It's all small micro adjustments. And it'll just get worse on a bigger CC bike. Like obviously the smaller the CC, the more you have to open your throttle to get something out the bike. But if it's a larger CC bike, you barely have to twist the throttle to get going. Most people slide through the wall without experience because they whiskey throttle. You know, they never know how much. They just go fam. That's why I got you. So it's all about that decent throttle control. That determines whether or not how your biking journey is going to go. And that is also why most people say they recommend you to start on a smaller CC bike to learn that control. Because I taught myself that throttle control from the get-go. Because I had to learn it on that bike. I could not just go fucking full throttle everywhere I went. I would have killed myself. So I taught myself that easy throttle control, not to hana everywhere. And you just try and teach yourself the basics of riding, you know? Oh, wee. Okay. Oh, we're gonna wait here a while. This light takes long. Unless I just go now. Okay, then there's no bus. So we're going to get dessert first, or we're going to get coffee first? Okay. Hopefully Pick n Pay's got the good stuff. What a lovely day. Not a cloud in sight. Okay, yeah, it is a bit windy. But I mean, you don't really feel it. It's only a little bit of wind. You want to make a turn at WeBuyCars? No? Aw, man. See, the thing is, when people can't sell their shit on Marketplace, they sell it to WeBuyCars. Yes. You know, I think they put up the speed camera for people just like me with a loud exhaust going bam. Oh, I don't even think we set it off. Goddamn. That's a shame. Was I driving that slowly? Surely not. That's another thing about being on a bike. When you're driving slowly, it feels like you're driving a lot faster. And that's purely to do with the height that you're sitting on the bike. Because you're higher than your perceived perception, you feel like you're moving a lot faster even at a slower speed. The lower you are, the faster you feel like you're moving. The higher you are, the slower. That's why when you're in an airplane so high above, you're doing 700-800 kilometers per hour, but it feels so slowly because you're so high up. Bum, 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 bum. Bike sounds so good. Green light. Pick and pay. The cake shop is next to the pick and pay. It's there by the KFC. What do you mean? That's where we said we're going. You mean burgers and steaks and burger. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Food. That's a nice Fortuner. Bum 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 bum. And don't mind if I just scooch in right here. Bumpy road. Wee. Go, 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 go. God damn, why it takes so long to turn. I literally coasted through that corner now. Oh my god, KFC's got speckled egg milkshake when McDonald's has speckled egg ice cream. What the fuck? Yes, they do. It makes me think they're all like together. So if I'm not mistaken, maybe if I'm not mistaken, it's there in that corner. Something Daisy, I think I saw it there. Is there bike parking here? I don't know if there's bike parking here. I don't think there is. Yeah, I don't think there is. I guess we just have to take a normal parking. Oh, there's one right here. Wah! Burgundies? What do you mean, why? I don't know of another spur. No, there's this one, there's N1s, and there's Burgundies. Woodbridge Island doesn't have a spur. No, that's a Bossa, boo. No. Costa Rica, Colombia, Tasmania, Uganda. What the fuck sticker is that? Deluxe? What? I can't see what that says, that second word. I'm gonna go eat your brother just now. Or your cousin, I don't know. Probably cousin's a better word. Ooh, I can have the rib burger from Spur. Quite strong. But beautiful day though. Absolutely gorgeous. It's hot. Are you regretting a decision to wear 2 jackets? That's very hot. God damn.